In the Wild West, under the sun's blaze, there's a cowboy plumber stuck in his ways. Food handler by name, with a wrench in his hand, claims he's a ladies' man, the best in the land.
What the fuck?
Food handler, dreams so grand, talking a game only he can understand. But for the ladies just smile as they walk on by. He's all had no cattle under that big sky. He rides from town to town in his plumber's van, fixing leaks in hearts, or so he thinks that's the plan. A tip of his hat and a wink of his eye. He tries his luck, but his charm just won't fly. Food handler, stories to tell, love and adventure, but none know him well. The women just giggle when he's out of sight. He's shooting for the stars, but can't get it right. In the tavern at night, he's a legend in his mind. Tales of conquest, but he's the only one signed. Yet food handler's spirit, it never does wane. He's the cowboy plumber riding the lonely plain. Oh, food handler, stories to tell, love and adventure, but none know him well. The women just giggle when he's out of sight. He's shooting for the stars, but can't get it right.
What the fuck?